Oh my god! Holy shit, that's cool! Holy shit! I never knew you could do that.
Oh, there's fire. Look from this angle.
Sure.
The flame back in there.
Nope. I never thought about that. That's freaking cool!
And then it starts to spark and everything starts to explode.
Yeah, I put in one bulb in our microwave at home.
Just the bulb
Just
itself?
one bulb, yeah.
I would imagine that would work.
And it started sparking and stuff.
That's nothing. It's really cool. I would have never guessed it would have done that. Ever.
Yep.
Alright, we better quit. That's good enough. I could show my buddy Lance, my godchild. That's really cool.
Yep.
So basically, what, the first maybe 45 seconds, I guess?
Yeah, I guess so.